How to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to M365 Professionals. A table of contents talk is an essential feature in Microsoft Word that helps readers navigate through a document efficiently, whether you're working on a research paper, report, thesis, or book. A well-structured talk enhances readability and professionalism. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Apply heading styles before inserting a talk. You need to apply heading styles to your document. This ensures that Word can automatically generate the talk based on these headings. Select the text you want to include in the talk, e.g., chapter titles or section headings. Navigate to the Home tab. In the Styles group, choose an appropriate heading style, e.g., Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and Heading 3 for subsections. Apply these styles consistently throughout your document. Step 2. Insert the table of contents. Once you've formatted your headings, you can insert a talk. Place your cursor where you want the talk to appear, usually at the beginning of the document. Click on the References tab. In the Table of Contents group, select Table of Contents. Choose from the available talk styles, or click Custom Table of Contents for more options. Click OK. To insert the talk. Step 3. Update the table of contents. If you edit your document by adding, removing, or renaming headings, you must update the talk to reflect these changes. Click anywhere in the talk. Select Update Table from the pop-up menu. Choose either Update Page Numbers Only if only page numbers have changed. Update Entire Table if you've made changes to headings. Click OK to apply the updates. Step 4. Customize the table of contents. Microsoft Word allows you to customize the talk to suit your formatting needs. Change talk formatting. Click on the talk. Select Custom Table of Contents from the References tab. Adjust settings such as show more or fewer heading levels, modify tab leader styles, dots, dashes, or none. Change alignment and text appearance. Click OK to save the changes. Manually edit talk appearance. If you want further customization, highlight the talk text, change the font, size, or color using the Home tab. Right-click and select Paragraph to adjust spacing and indentation. Step 5. Remove a table of contents. If you need to delete the TOC, click anywhere inside the talk. Navigate to the References tab. Click Table of Contents greater than Remove Table of Contents. Conclusion. Creating a table of contents in Microsoft Word is a straightforward process that enhances document organization and navigation by applying heading styles, inserting a TOC, and customizing it to your preference. You can produce a professional-looking document effortlessly. Keep in mind that updating the talk regularly ensures accuracy, especially in lengthy documents. Mastering this feature will improve the readability and professionalism of your work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us. We will meet in next video. Thank you.